Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my patrons and those who order their Tesla using my referral code. I have a couple of weeks left for to get 2,000 free supercharging miles. So if you are going to get Tesla, please use my referral code. So today we're going to talk about what I really think. This is serious. This is not, usually I have a lot of sarcasm in my videos, but this is a real, and I don't want to call it a threat. I like to call it an opportunity, but let's call it a threat for the sake of argument. For Tesla truck. Tesla truck is probably going to be revealed in November, according to Elon Musk. We all know that. And also, we all know that Rivian has two beautiful prototypes of Tesla, of a Rivian truck and SUV, and they're coming up. But I think the game changer, obviously, what Tesla is doing is mind-boggling. But the game changer could be Ford and GM with the Ford F-150, the most sold car, and the Silverado, the Chevrolet Silverado, what Ford CEO, Ford chairman, actually Bill Ford, said recently, the investment of $11.3 billion in electrification of Ford cars, bringing 60 new cars out of the Dearborn, Michigan plant. That is fantastic. It's not good, it's fantastic. And if GM is gonna electrify their bestseller Silverado, it will be fantastic. Now, is it a threat to Tesla? In technical terms, you can say that, but I see it as an opportunity because it is such a dominating segment. I always say it in almost every of my video. It's such a dominating segment. The small SUVs, the full SUVs, the pickup trucks. Oh my God, those are fantastic sellers. Americans love it. I don't, but people do. And it's great. And if Ford and GM, F-150 and Silverado are going to be, they're going to do what they said they're going to do, that is threat/opportunity for everybody, because out of the millions of pickup trucks that are sold in America, there's always room for everybody. And Tesla is going to do or die kind of a thing, live or survive or thrive only on style and technology. But there's always a wrench. Tesla, what they have that is completed, it's not in development, it's for all purposes, is completed the charging network, their unique charging network in America and around the world. But let's focus in America because that's the most sold, the pickup trucks, the infrastructure. And unless it's going to be a national drive for fast, and when I say infrastructure, I mean fast charging, not the 220 volt that takes you a week to charge. Fast charging, 10-20 minutes, you're done. And Tesla has it. So yes, Ford and GM, if they electrify their cars, it's going to be a tremendous boost and opportunity for everybody. But it has to go along with fast charging, so people can feel free, go to job sites, travel across the state. People love it. I drive long distances all the time, and the highways are full of trucks. So that's great. So they will still maintain this advantage of the fast charging, Tesla does, but there is no denying if Ford and GM will electrify the F-150 and the Silverado, it's going to be a real threat opportunity, and I always like to see the opportunity part of it. Let me know what you think, guys. Put your comments below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow.